A very practical framework in which we encourage a lot of SMEs to look at AI is to look at it in the form of what are the main metrics that they want to improve by incorporating AI in their company, right? So metrics like cost per invoice processing, or metrics like how long does it take the team to do month-end closing? How can we bring down the error rates in their current operations? Or something as simple as what is the DSO, or the average time it takes the team to collect. So these are examples of measures. Obviously, different SMEs will have different criteria. Some might just focus on man hours, some might focus on working capital. But the idea is to look at these metrics and then focus on the one that is most high volume tasks that are highly repetitive and that can be solved through building some automated AI workflow. We strongly, speak with customers and we tell them never to start with cool AI, because cool AI usually ends up in a failed implementation or a failed project, and usually picking high volume repetitive processes usually work very well. So I think that's basically been our advice, and what we see SMEs succeed, at least in the last few years, is AI adoption is happening.